Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bhagyalakshmi Sheelwant, bearing USN 22. I am from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bengaluru. Today we are going to study about traffic engineering. This is my second video assignment on this subject. The subject code is 18CV652. Today the topic of discussion is statistical applications in traffic studies and statistical applications in traffic forecasting. The first half of our video will be about statistical applications of traffic studies, and then we'll be studying about traffic forecasting. We will be having five each applications for traffic studies and traffic forecasting respectively. Let's head to our first topic, that is statistical applications in traffic studies. We'll be studying five of these applications. So the statistical applications play an important role in traffic studies as they help to analyze and interpret data collected from various sources. Here are some examples of statistical applications in traffic studies. The first one is traffic volume studies. Statistical methods can be used to determine the volume of traffic on a particular road or at a specific location. This can be done by counting the number of vehicles passing through the area, either manually or using automated methods such as cameras or sensors. As we pass by some of the roads or areas, we can see that there are some people who are just holding some paper, work, or books in their hand. They'll be just calculating the number of vehicles passing through that area, mostly on the hourly basis. So, this is the kind of data this is indicated like this. So, this is for one vehicle passed, and this is for second, third, fourth, and then fifth. So, in this way, they have to just calculate the vehicles passing through them to find out the number of vehicles that have been passing through that area. And as we know that the technology has gone too far, so by using cameras or sensors, we can detect how many number of vehicles have been passing through that particular area. The second one being travel time studies. Statistical analysis can be used to calculate travel times for different modes of transportation, such as cars, buses, and trains. This can be done by measuring the time it takes to travel a certain distance and then using statistical methods to analyze the data. Third one being accident analysis. Here also statistical methods can be used to analyze accident data and identify patterns or trends which have been repeating. This can help traffic engineers to identify high risk areas and implement measures to reduce the likelihood of accidents occurring in the near future. The fourth one is speed studies. Statistical analysis can be used to determine the average speed of vehicles on a particular road or at a specific location. This can be done by measuring the time it takes for vehicles to travel a certain distance and then using statistical methods to calculate the average speed. The fifth one and the last one is capacity studies. Statistical methods can be used to determine the capacity of a particular road or intersection. This can be done by measuring the flow of traffic through the area and using statistical methods to analyze the data. Here we conclude the statistical applications in traffic studies. So the conclusion is overall statistical applications are crucial in traffic studies as they provide important insights into traffic patterns, behavior, and safety. By using statistical methods to analyze data, traffic engineers can make informed decisions about how to design roads and implement measures to improve traffic flow and safety. Now we will be studying about our second half, that is statistical applications in traffic forecasting. Statistical applications are widely used in traffic forecasting to predict future traffic patterns and volume. Here are some examples of statistical applications used in traffic forecasting. Here we will be studying about 5 statistical applications. First one being time series analysis. Time series analysis is a statistical method used to analyze data collected over time. This method can be used to forecast future traffic volumes by analyzing historical traffic data and identifying patterns and trends. Regression analysis. Regression analysis is a statistical method used to examine the relationship between a dependent variable such as traffic volume and one or more independent variables such as time of day, day of the week, weather conditions, etc. This method can be used to develop a regression model that predicts future traffic volumes based on these variables. Artificial neural networks. Artificial neural networks are a machine learning technique that can be used to forecast future traffic patterns. Artificial neural networks can be trained on historical traffic data to predict future traffic volumes based on input variables such as time of day, day of week, and weather conditions. The next one is Bayesian models. These models are a statistical technique that can be used to update prior beliefs about a system based on a new data. This method can be used to forecast future traffic volumes by incorporating new data and adjusting prior beliefs about traffic patterns. The fifth and the last one is Monte Carlo simulation. Monte Carlo simulation is a statistical method used to simulate a range of possible outcomes based on probability distributions. This method can be used to forecast future traffic volumes by simulating a range of possible scenarios based on historical traffic data and other variables. We conclude that overall statistical applications play a critical role in traffic forecasting as they provide important insights into future traffic patterns and volumes. By using these methods to forecast traffic, transportation planners and engineers can make informed decisions about how to design roads and manage traffic flow to optimize safety and efficiency. Thank you.